We're in the last 24 hours to reserve and get your free $50 credit for the upcoming Z Fold 6 or Z Flip 6, the successor to the Z Fold 5. And I've got a link in the description. You can use that. It'll take you straight there, and you can reserve your pre-order and get your free credit, which after tonight, basically in the morning, that's gone because we have the Unpacked event tomorrow. It's happening 9 o'clock Eastern Time, 8 o'clock Central Standard Time, and you'll be able to watch it on YouTube, probably even on the Samsung website. But yeah, you want to go ahead and reserve your pre-order, not necessarily because it's going to go away, but you want that $50 free in credit. You can put it towards accessories, get a case, all that jazz. And like I said, I've got an affiliate link in the description. You can go do that. If not, then you're going to be kicking yourself whenever you buy your Z Flip 6 or you buy your Z Fold 6 and they show up, they don't have a charger. You got to fork out money to go get a case. And yeah, I think it's good for that. But yeah, it'll be interesting. We've got the Z Fold 6, the Z Flip 6, we've got the Galaxy Ring, we've got the Galaxy Watch 7, Watch 7 Ultra, we've got all these things coming out, the new Galaxy Buds that we're hearing about. So a lot of exciting stuff. This is going to be the biggest Samsung launch basically ever. Like before, we've had phones and tablets, or phones and watches, or tablets, or laptops, and a couple of things, but never this many things on this big of a scale. Like Samsung seems to be all in on this, trying to build their ecosphere out and try and compete with Apple, which I think they've been catching up and doing a pretty good job in a lot of areas. I love my Watch 5 Pro. I'm really looking forward to the Watch Ultra. I'm definitely going to get that, even though I don't know a whole lot about it at this point in time, but I like the way it looks. And I'm going to get the Fold 6. I'm going to get the Flip 6. I'm going to get all these things, which I got to spend my own money for. So luckily I can get the $50 free because I always use a Samsung case anyway. But yeah, it'll be exciting because new stuff. And of course, we'll finally get confirmation on the rumors. Is there a price increase? Did they put titanium in it? Is it still the old cameras? All those things, all these rumors, all these leaks will finally be put to bed tomorrow. But like I said, by then it'll be too late to get the 50 free bucks. And then you'll probably be kicking yourself because it'll come down to it and you're like, oh, I want to go ahead and order it. And then, well, you got to pay more money out of pocket. And these things are not cheap. I mean, last year, the Z Flip 5 was $9.99. Last year, the Z Fold 5 was $17.99. That's a spicy meatball. But the pre-order always has other benefits too. Likely, just like we had the last couple of years, we'll probably get free double the storage. They've got the exclusive colors with Samsung. I've said this before. They have the best trade-in program. They offer the highest trade-in values. And it's nice because you get basically a 14 free day no commitment trial. They don't have a restocking fee, so that stuff's cool too. It's not like you go to AT&T and you buy it, they charge you like an arm and a leg to return. It's not like Verizon where they charge you an arm and a leg to return. It's not really free. It's not really commitment free. You have to worry about that. And they tell you, here, sign this because you will pay a restocking fee. Best Buy does the same thing. So that's one nice thing about Samsung. Plus they have the insurance. They always have deals on the insurance too. I think this last go around it was like 33% off. And then they have the additional discounts and too. Education discount, that's always a big one. Military, firefighter, first responder, teachers. There's so many different discounts that they have. It makes a lot of sense. And if they stay in line with the last two launches, they should have carrier deals as well. So I'm really excited to see what happens here. I'm excited to see what actually comes to fruition. But things we do know, Snapdragon 8 Generation 3, probably going to have a brighter screen. I mean, this is the word on the street anyway, if they follow along with what they did with the S24 series. And so there'll be a lot of exciting things that come out of it. Again, if you've been waiting for a watch, if you've been waiting for a challenger to the Apple Watch Ultra, this is probably going to be your best bet in the Android world, especially when it comes to Samsung. And of course, they'll have the Ring as well. And they're the first major company to come out with one, at least that makes phones anyway. I mean, they've got like the Aura Ring, and they got a couple other brands that I don't really wear. I'm not giving them any of my money. I don't know them. But Samsung, I think, brings some credit worthiness to the table because people are more willing to say, okay, Samsung's making it. They've done all these other things. I trust them. I bought their products for years. Okay, I'll go ahead and fork out the money and get a Samsung one. And I'm curious to see if we get any additional credit. I don't know if we are or not at this point, but I do know we're going to get the $50 free credit, $50 free credit if you do the reserve your pre-order. And again, that's just your first name, last name, email. That's it. That's all you got to do, and then you're in. Plus, it's your last chance to enter the $5,000 sweepstakes giveaway. Plus, you get the highest trade-in value stuff, the highest discounts. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see what goes on with this stuff because, well, this is the biggest time of the year. I mean, you've got the regular phones, but there's just something special about the foldable phones. I've had every version of the Fold since it's come out. I've had every version of the Flip since it's come out, and they just get better, more durable, new things. The only disappointing things the last couple of years is they haven't really been groundbreaking in the camera department, which I really wish that they would push the envelope a bit more, because if I'm going to spend $1,800 on a phone, I want the best of the best of the best, not like a 2 or 3 year old camera. However, the AI stuff, the new image signaling processor that comes out with the chips, I mean, that stuff plays a big part because AI is such a big part of the photography conversation now. It's not just raw photo data. There's so many things that get done in processing and post-processing. So we saw this with the Google Pixel phones. They had the same camera for like 3 years, and 3 years in a row, they won the best camera. So it's not necessarily always about the new one. We've seen the problems we've had with the optimization for the 200 megapixel camera and the S24 series phones. So, there's a lot of things that go on with that. But yeah, biggest question marks are going to be with the S Pen, they're going to be with the front screen, going to be with the pricing, going to be with a lot of those different things. And we'll find out tomorrow, and it'll be exciting. I'll be following it. I will have a video immediately afterward talking about some of the stuff that I see in the video, pricing, availability, deals and things like that. And also I'll have a link that you can click on as well. It'll be an affiliate link. What's an affiliate link? Well, an affiliate link is just a link that I have where if you click on it, it helps me make money and it doesn't cost you any extra money. So if you want to use that, that's fine. If not, then go straight to the Samsung website, Best Buy, Amazon, wherever you want to go. But it doesn't cost any extra money. It helps support the channel and it allows me to do things like, spend a bunch of money to buy phones to make videos for y'all. So that will be available tomorrow. Hopefully right after the event, I will have the links. You can use those. I will get them posted as quickly as I can. I will have a video tomorrow talking about the deals, letting you know what's special, what's new, what the prices are, talk about kind of what my expectations, where they met, and is it something that probably you want to spend your money on. So big, big, big day. Like I said, biggest Samsung event I think ever in the history of Samsung, especially in the mobile department. Ring, watch, phone, flip phone, foldable phone, earbuds, the whole 9 yards. And I'm here for it. I like to see new stuff. Everybody complains. It's like, oh, this isn't new. That's not new. Well, we got a fantastic looking new watch coming out, at least from the leaks and the renders. And we've got that Ring coming out, which, I know that it's probably going to catch some flack from the get-go. I'm sure Samsung's going to ask a pretty penny for it. But at the end of the day, they're trying. Like they're doing something different. This right here is not a regular phone. It gives you special things that you can do with it. A ring, special things you can do with it. A watch, special things you can do with it. So when you tile that stuff in, it kind of helps give you a level up on the experience and something to be excited about. Instead of just, here's the latest iPhone. It's the most powerful iPhone ever. It's the fastest iPhone ever. Like every single one of those presentations, they're not doing a whole lot of new stuff. They're not giving you cool new things. And it sounds like their AI they announced isn't going to be available until like next spring. So Samsung's here. Samsung's doing the good things, the AI, giving us the foldable phones and all that stuff, however you feel about them. But that's all I've got. If you have any questions or comments, please go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. I'll be here tomorrow with coverage. Stay tuned for that. Hit the like and the subscribe button. Most importantly, the notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you guys next time.